Hello and welcome. My name is Yusuf Wilson. I'm a career coach, AI strategist, and author of two 2024 Amazon best-selling books on AI and how to future-proof your career. I have 25 years of corporate experience and over 20 years of career coaching experience, where I've worked with hundreds of clients, helping them through all stages of their career journey, from layoffs to reinventions, as well as breakthroughs. In fact, I've been laid off 4 times myself. And through each of these major layoffs and job disruptions, I've been able to focus, I've been able to reinvent and come back stronger and more aligned where the workplace is going. And this course is basically powered by those lived experiences. What I'm sharing with you during the series of this course, it's not just strategy. I'm sharing with you battle-tested strategy and deep empathy from someone that's been there and ready to help you overcome your job and life and AI strategy. Okay? This course, Future Proof Your Career 2025 AI Crash Course on how to thrive in this economy, is a course where you're just not going to learn about understanding about AI, but you're going to learn how to thrive and how to use AI as your thought partner and your amplifier for not just your workplace, but also for your life. This course will help you take advantage of the wonderful opportunity and the wonderful world that we're living within AI and how it will enhance who we are and how we will thrive and become more proficient in the workplace and in our life. Let's cover a little bit about what's going to be included in this course.
Breaking news. This course has grown quickly and intentionally because it was built around real learner needs. In just over 2 months, it reached professionals in 76 countries, enrolled more than 600 students, and earned a 4.3 plus rating, placing it among top-tier programs on the Udemy platform. That success led to an important next step. The course has now been elevated to certification status, awarded through Quantum AI Learning and Coaching Academy, a trusted leader in professional education. But certification wasn't the goal. The learners were. So we carefully updated the course with 4 key enhancements shaped by global research and direct student feedback. First, we added the latest insights from the World Economic Forum 2026 meeting, along with research from organizations such as McKinsey Consulting, Harvard, and Stanford University, and other credible sources reflecting the most current thinking from early 2026. Second, we integrated new material from my forthcoming book, AI and Human Collaboration Blueprint, building on 2 Amazon best-selling works and responding to strong early demand ahead of its release. Third, the course now includes the Centurion Champion Framework, informed by applied research and collaboration with OpenAI Academy resources, helping learners move beyond AI awareness into confident AI collaboration. And finally, because learners repeatedly asked for it, we've continued the live online Zoom coaching sessions, which were consistently highlighted as one of the most valuable elements of the program. These updates reflect more than growth. They reflect intention. Everything you've just heard points to one core idea. This course isn't about keeping up with AI trends. It's about learning how to work with AI in a way that amplifies your thinking, your judgment, and your career. To do that well, we start with a strong foundation, because before AI can become an amplifier, it has to be understood clearly, practically, and without hype. So let's begin by exploring the fundamentals of AI, how it works, how it's reshaping industries and career paths, the ethical considerations that come with new technologies, and how intentional human AI collaboration can dramatically increase productivity and creativity.
In this course, we will explore
the fundamentals of AI and how it works, the ways AI is reshaping industries and career paths, the ethical and moral considerations that come with new technologies. How human AI collaboration can supercharge your productivity and creativity. This is more than a lesson in technology. It's a blueprint for thriving in the age of disruption. Who is this course for? This course is designed for professionals across industries looking to stay competitive, job seekers aiming to future-proof their careers, entrepreneurs and business owners exploring AI to innovate their operations, lifelong learners curious about the rise of AI, educators and students looking to understand AI's practical applications. If you're wondering how AI will affect your future or how to harness it for your advantage, you're in the right place. What makes this course unique? We've built this learning journey with powerful tools and support, including Meet Julie, your AI edubot. Julie is your personal guide, featured in many of our YouTube-based learning videos and available throughout this course. She'll break down complex concepts, offer additional support, and help you stay engaged as you move through the content. Next, we leverage cutting-edge Gen AI podcasts. Hosted by 3 dynamic podcast teams, our Gen AI podcasts offer a conversational learning experience that brings topics to life. Timely insights from AI experts, thought leaders, and futurists. On-the-go listening so you can learn wherever you are. Additional learning enhancements include real-time case studies from 2025 for relevant application, interactive videos to visualize key concepts, live group coaching sessions where we work together directly, practice exercises with AI tools you'll use in the real world. Lastly, what are the key takeaways from this course? By the end of this course, you will understand the core concepts and terminology of artificial intelligence, recognize AI's transformative impact on the workforce and business models, learn to interact with AI through prompting and collaboration, embrace ethical, responsible use of AI in your career, begin building your AI-powered career strategy, develop the confidence and curiosity to lead, not lag in the age of AI.
Remember, this course is just the beginning. In this course, you just didn't understand and start beginning about learning about AI. You've begun to understand exactly how to harness AI to expand your career, as well as to maximize AI and the potential of your lifestyle. There's an old adage, and the adage goes like this: the ability to learn is a gift. Capacity to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice. And I want to encourage you to take advantage of all of the new tools you have now and to use these tools to enhance your life. Feel free, I'm going to be walking side by side with you as we go through our journey of the course, as well as you're going to be able to connect with me in social media, as well as my LinkedIn page. Stay connected with me so you can see that I'm going live, and we're going to have coaching sessions, and we're going to have abundance of tools to enhance your experience. Wishing you the best, much success, and see you on the battlefield.